Hi everyone, this is Lucy with a great recipe for you to make for Sunday's game. I call it Love Explosion. It's a chili dog nachos. Very easy and simple to make. Please join me in my kitchen to make this wonderful recipe. I'm using a package of 10 flour tortillas. Cut them in 4, making triangles, and then bake them in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit from 12 to 15 minutes or until they are crispy. You can also use a sack of tortilla chips. That way you don't have to bake them. In a large frying pan, I'm going to saute 1 diced large onion together with half a dice of bell pepper in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Sprinkle some salt and 3 or 4 minced garlic cloves. Brown together with the onions and peppers 1 pound of lean ground beef. Once the beef is brown, add 1 package of sliced hot dogs. Usually the packages comes in 8. Then I add the spices, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Drain 1 can of kidney beans and add it to the meat. Also add 1 can or 8 ounces of tomato sauce. Mix well and then taste for salt. Add salt if you think the mixture needs salt. Then I'm going to cover this mixture and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare the topping for the nachos. Some avocados, cherry tomatoes, green onions, and lettuce. And the amount of these ingredients is according to your taste. And everything is optional. Now let's put everything together. In a large baking pan, I'm going to accommodate the tortillas. We're going to form layers of the tortillas with the meat mixture and the cheese. So make 1 layer, then sprinkle some cheese. And I'm using cheddar cheese, but you can use any cheese you like. Then place some of the meat over the tortillas and the cheese. Spread some more cheese and make your second layer. Keep making layers of tortillas, cheese, and meat until you run out of ingredients. Then we're going to place this pan into the oven at 325 degrees until the cheese melts, perhaps 5 minutes. Just before serving, spread the avocado and lettuce mixture. You can add some salsa and sour cream as well. Enjoy this dish and I hope you try soon. That's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. I hope to see you in my next video. Buen provecho. Bye bye.